Hi, class. I just wanted to give you an overview of week 10 and 11. So, in week 10, you're going to have some assignments from week 9 closing, a couple of the labs that are using the calculator. Please make sure you review module week 9, and also, there is the final paper submission. Um, for week 10 and 11, which is the week that we're actually in, you just submitted today, technically, exam number 2. And then now you should be able to see basically the content for this week and next week. So we're going to be talking about statistical terminology and graphs. For our next meeting, please print these two handouts. I'll put them on the announcement. And basically, the idea is that as you're covering the topics for week 10, make sure you cover them in this order in order for them to make sense. So we have two assignments paired, technically a short quiz on statistical terminology that you should do after you technically complete the lecture, the recorded videos for the lecture, the reading, and then your homework assignments. Basically, keep track of the terminology and so that you can use it for your next exam in order to review. For the statistical graphs, there is a video recording of how to create some of the graphs. We will do this assignment in our next meeting, along with we will be working on these two from week 10. I'll put it on the announcement to bring these two. Once again, don't forget to take a look at the actual content on week 9, a couple of the labs that we will be using for this week, and week 11 are going to be closing. Lastly, for our next meeting, please bring these two. And then any calculator will be fine. I'll be covering how to do the calculations for the TI calculator.